It's a request. I have shared one URL to you on the chat window. Kindly open that URL so that you will able to know about. As I'm disabled as a host, it is not possible for me to share the screen. I'll just make it possible. Till then, whatever link I have given, just open that link and acknowledge me if you have received that particular link or and open that link. तुम्ही कुणाला केलंय ना त्याच्यावर आहे माझे 2 आहे हा जो आहे ना Yeah, I have solved the issue. Just sharing the screen with all of you. I'm very sorry for the interruptions which were there. So, good morning, all of you. And here I'm sharing before you the PPT, which is with the starting of OOP. We are welcoming to the OOP world. I know that all of you have mute yourselves, certain session tips which we were to be given, that you can ask the questions in the chat window throughout the session. You can again raise hands and other gestures. If you are having any question or a query, just raise your hands. I will be there to give you the rights. In case I am disconnected, please wait. I'll be back in certain minutes. And in case you get disconnected, log on again and you can continue with the session. For my view, instead of gallery view, you can use speaker view. Okay, so this was certain session tips which we were given. Okay, now very first start, we are there for the subject. I know that you have already been introduced with what are the certain department achievements and what all we are doing by Sanvi sir as well as by Amol Shakadipi sir. He has been introducing you with this. Let's start with main concept. I am there as a course instructor for the subject which is there, object oriented programming. And object oriented programming, there are a number of programming languages which are coming as object oriented, and we are going for C++ as an object oriented programming language. Yes, I have not started my video yet. That is why I'm just showing you that object oriented programming will be just shown in abbreviation as OOP. We are going to learn the programs using C++ language. You have used already one of the object-oriented language, that is Python, in first year. And now you are going to learn C++, which is the base of all the languages, as you are going to introduce with the first things where all C++ is going to be used. We will see the instructions. I myself, Kenjin Mai Sanvi, and I'm acting as an associate professor in our Department of Computer Engineering. So we are just going to begin with object-oriented programming pre-semester. What is object-oriented programming and what is this pre-semester and what is the code of this subject? Each and every subject is having a certain code which you have already been introduced. Remember that 210 is there for each and every subject of your second year. And for object-oriented programming, this course code is 243. For 2020-21, 2019 pattern has given this code for object-oriented programming. Now, What will be the outline of today's lecture? We are going to see about what is syllabus. All of you are very well known about university syllabus, which Amol Chakradeepi sir, your class coordinator, might have introduced you about the syllabus. Certain prerequisite which is necessary for ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, मतलब आपको ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग जानने के लिए क्या पता होना चाहिए, दैट वी शुड सी. Again, what is my objective of this particular course? What will be the outcome after you are going to learn this course? After that, we are going for role models of C++. What are the role models? You know that each and every thing is having a certain role model. आप आपकी life में किसी को role model रखते हो और उससे आगे life चलाते हो. In the similar manner, you have different role models of C++ which are there. We are going to see the main important role models of C++, where in all C++ is used, the different applications. आप अगर जानोगे कि C++ को आप use कर रहे हो, programming language is there where it can be applicable, that we are going to see. Not only C++, but Python and all the object-oriented programming languages are applicable to these applications. Again, course outcomes which are there, and what will be the tentative schedule. आज मैं तुरंत आपका इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ C++. This is just an outline which is going to be given कि हम लोग पूरी OOP के सफर में क्या करने वाले हैं. Then we are again going to have certain course material which will be shared with you. Certain grading system. All of you are knowing that each and every subject is going to have certain grading system which is there. So what is the grading system which you are going to follow after you come into this? What is the Google Classroom? Most of you have already joined the Google Classroom. We are just going to see about the code. Okay. So this was all about the things which are there for outline of today's lecture. Myself, the course instructor, Kenjin Sangvi, and my mail ID, just have a note of this, sangvi.kmcoe@snjb.org. My blog, kenjin1.wordpress.com, where you will have each and every details related to your OOP subject, whether it is university paper solutions or the last university papers. Though you are having, let me tell you that though you are having 2019 syllabus pattern, it is very much similar to what it was in 2015 pattern. So you all are very lucky that you will have certain question papers and solutions which are available to you, which you can refer. Then my number, I will be anytime available on this number on WhatsApp, as well as you can call me anytime, 9921343342. Syllabus, I'll share, I've already shared this PPT link with you all. If you click on the syllabus, you will come to know about the syllabus about OOP. So anytime you can have this OOP syllabus from here. What is the prerequisite of this subject? You need a good understanding of programming and problem solving. आपके पास अगर जेस्ट है कि आप प्रोग्रामिंग करो और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अच्छी तरीके से आता है, you are very good having that good understanding. Yes, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जरूरी नहीं है, पर अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूरी है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया तो अपने आप आपको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. So that is programming and problem solving which you have already started. एक थोड़ा start जो है, जो हम लोग देते हैं, that kick start has been given to you in your first year in PPS. We are going to see with that particular concept itself. Next, what is my the different course objectives over here? Very first course objective is to learn about object-oriented programming paradigm. Then you are going to focus on certain fundamentals of object-oriented design. Then you are going to learn about certain semantics, that is what is the different type of C++ programming constructs, what are the different syntax. Am I audible? Anyone can just tell me if I'm audible or going very fast, or is it understood to all of you? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. So this is how you are going to go. Then you are going to learn about different certain words which are going to be heavy today. That is data abstraction, encapsulation. थोड़ा थोड़ा दिमाग में रखो, ये बहुत सारी बातें हम लोगों को आने वाली है. Data abstraction, encapsulation, copy constructor, then class, member functions, operators, all these which are the course objective. After learning all this, we are going to come with a very basic, very important concept of C++, that is inheritance and dynamic binding. And lastly, after learning all these particular things, you are going to design and implement generic classes using C++ templates. Then you are also going to use exception handling in C++ programs. So this is the journey of course objective, what you are going to do. After this course objectives, these are my objectives which we have set. What you will be able to do, you will be able to apply as you have used sequence, selection, iteration statements in Python. Similarly, you will able to apply sequence, selection and iteration statements in case of C++. You will come to know and use class and object inheritance. Then you are going to design different object oriented solutions where you will have everything. You are learning about this everywhere, the concept that is object oriented, object oriented, object oriented. So यहाँ पे CO2, that is your second course outcome, is what you are going to involve multiple objects, not only a single object. We will have multiple objects. जैसे आपके क्लास में एक से ज्यादा पर्सन होते हैं, वैसे ही हम लोग हर प्रोग्राम में एक से ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेंगे और उसके साथ काम करेंगे. Then we are going to learn about certain complex programming situations where you will have to use virtual functions and pure virtual functions. Then for each and every problem solving, after getting the concepts, you are going to apply object oriented software principles. Again, you are going to have, there are 6 outcomes which we are there in. Then you will understand the strength of object oriented programming and why now there is nowhere in your syllabus C language, procedure oriented language. There is only object oriented programming. So why it is there, we are going to analyze the strength of OOP through this particular subject. And lastly, you are going to develop object oriented programming language programs and applications. These are various Bloom's taxonomy. I'll come to that in the second lecture. You are all going to reach to, after this course outcome, you're all going to reach to apply level. Means you all are going to apply the principles of object oriented programming everywhere. Role models I was speaking about, there are 2 role models in C++, Jan Stroustrup and Andrea Alexander Skrew. He is the role model for templates. Jan Stroustrup was the one who has started C++. जैसे आप बोलते हो invention of C language was done by Dennis Ritchie, वैसे C++ was developed by Jan Stroustrup, and then Andrea Alexander Skrew had come for SGL, that is generic classes concept. Then we are having different applications of C++. All of you are knowing about. अब हम लोग C++ पढ़ के करेंगे क्या? C++ use करके, now you are into computer engineering stream. You all are going to develop programs. तो programs जब develop करोगे, you can develop programs in GUI. You can develop programs जैसे graphical user interface. अभी जो आप देख रहे हो, आपने जो PPT देखी है, इसके पीछे भी जो बना है, that is using C++. Then you have different job opportunities which are available in C++. We have having certain operating system. आपको कुछ जैसे Windows operating system है, Linux operating system है. I'll tell you that Linux operating system के पीछे जो language Linux operating system develop होती है, that is language C++. C++ use करके ही Linux को बनाया गया है. Again, there are various web browsers. You are using Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox. All these are having certain where कुछ बातें C++ में implement की गई है, जिससे आपका web browser काफी अच्छा बना है. Then you have database management system. You are using data handling concepts which are very much used by C++. There are different libraries which we are using, and lastly, you all are everywhere using about cloud computing. Salesforce is a very big community of cloud computing, and it is making the use of C++ in major way. तो C++ लर्न करके आप बहुत सारी जगह आपका एप्लीकेशन यूज कर सकते हो, आपका नॉलेज यूज कर सकते हो। जिस फील्ड में आपको जाना है, GUI बोलो या DBMS बोलो या क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग या web browser, WT, everywhere C++ is going to be there. Certain lesson planning, you click on this lesson planning, you'll come to know that what I'm going to take daily for you, and what will be the schedule of today's lecture and all. Academic calendar soon will be shared. It is not available, the link is not available over here. What am I going to teach, who am I going to teach, and how I will teach through this lesson plan. When you click, you will come to know about this. So as soon as you click, you will come to know. Open link in new tab and you will come to know about that. What is the lesson plan? Next, we are having a tentative schedule. You will have in week 11, we are going to complete your C++ syllabus. And this is the tentative schedule, how you are going to go with C++, what are the different concepts we are going to learn in C++. So you can go through these all tentative schedules, which we can do. The course material you will find on my blog, kenjin1.wordpress.com. As soon as you click over here, you will come to know about the OP students. I have created one particular page for you where everything will be shared with you. Next, grading system. As all of you are knowing about the pattern which you are using in first year, similar pattern we are having here, university INSEM, NSEM 70 and 30. But apart from that, we are going to have a compulsory assignment of 30 marks. Now see that I have given double arrow for university INSEM and mock INSEM. Before university INSEM, we are going to have INSEM in our college. That is why it was termed to be mock INSEM, which will be again of 30 marks, and mock INSEM, so that you can have a practice for that, which you have already done in first year, the similar pattern. This is my Google Classroom code. Those who have not joined can similarly take this, note this down, and can join this Google Classroom. I thank to all of you who have shared, just added or joined this particular classroom, and they are a part of this. I'll be sharing from time to time any instructions which are there, certain materials and certain assignments we are going to do through this classroom. So have a note of this, all of you. Next, quiz time. Here I have shared the link with you all. Just go to this, and I would like that you all give this particular link, click link, and give your views about how you are loving the programming, how much you love the programming, and so that immediately I'll have an attendance of you through that also. Those who are going to have this particular quiz, they are going to be considered as an attendance today. So goodbye all of you. Thank you so much that you all have listened patiently. A small tip for all of you, that always remember that you are braver than you believe, you are stronger than you seem to be, and smarter than you are thinking about. So no one in my class will remember will remain out of this. They will be brave, they will be stronger, and finally they will be smarter. So thank you so much, all of you, for my patience listening. Thank you so much. Any queries which you are there can keep in the chat board. I'll just, up till now, I was not sharing my video. I'm starting my video, and request all of you that you also start your video, so that we can have a click of all that snapshot. I'll stop my screen sharing, and soon we will have all of you over there. Yeah, Jadhav sir, if you're there, you can just add all of these. So you all are enjoying at home, all of you having these lectures through home, and that is a wonderful experience all of you are having, right? I hope I have not muted anyone. You can talk. जाधव सर, सगळ्यांची क्लिक घेतली तुम्ही?
यस मैडम.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके मैम.
यस, किसी को कुछ बोलना नहीं है? I can see some faces which were there previously in my classes. Mansi Patil and Unnati Lohade, these were there. Sarika Gare, they were there with me. And I welcome you all that we are having 2019 pattern now, and you all will be very lucky enough to have much more experience in 2019 pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I hope I see a number of participants are less, or have they not started their audio? Sorry, video. Those who have completed, yes, I can see Sayam Parekh, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much, and have a patience. Tomorrow we'll go and start with the first lecture and with introduction of OP. I hope that you have understood the course objectives and outcomes, and request all of you to go to a quiz timing. Just one question you have to click so that I can understand how much programming you are loving, so that we can make it more interesting. And those who are not loving it to a mark, I'm sure that after learning all these concepts, you will obviously start with loving the programming very much, because you are computer engineers, and now you have to start with computer programming languages. You will have to develop different programs, and each different languages you are going to learn through this. So this is a basic language which is there. We have to start with. Thank you so much. I am ending this meeting. Anyone anyone has certain thing, can just chat or ping me on the chat. Till then, those others who are there,